Starting affiliate marketing is a great side hustle idea. That's why in this video I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. You just need to keep watching until the end of this video in order to get the desired results. Before we start, let me remind you to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So guys, I'm going to proceed right away with this tutorial. You know that the first thing that you need to do whenever you start affiliate marketing is to find an affiliate network. I'm going to show you that and also what kind of products you can promote and in what niche. Then I'm going to show you how you can promote them and of course how to use social media platforms in order to promote different affiliate links. So the first thing that you need to do is to go over to one affiliate network that I will recommend for today. I'm going to show you two of them, but I'm going to proceed with the first one, which is Clickbank. This is over at clickbank.com and it's one of the best affiliate marketplace. You can just go over to the affiliate section in order to learn more. You're going to notice here that they offer quality products, high commissions, reliable payments, and they have more than 100,000 of affiliates worldwide that choose this platform because they have paid over $5.5 billion in commissions since 1999, so they have been around for a lot of years now. You're going to notice that they offer reliable payments, top performing offers, high quality products, training and education, dedicated support team, and accurate tracking. You can also check out that they offer more than 5,000 of marketplace products, and you can see that you have potential of earning up to 90% of commission. So down here you're going to see the top product categories offered on Clickbank, just like health and fitness, self-help, e-business, home and garden, and some other ones. But today we are going to focus on the health and fitness niche, and I'm going to show you what kind of products you can promote and how you can do that. Something else that I want to show you is all the categories that Clickbank offers, from arts and entertainment with all of their other subcategories, as well as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, computers and internet, cooking, food, e-business, also education, fiction, games, and so on. So you're going to notice that there are a lot of categories and subcategories that you can choose from, and also you can find a lot of products in them. So as I said before, we are going over to another affiliate network for today, which is Amazon Associates. I highly recommend that you even use this one, since all of the people are doing it and are getting a lot of profits. So you can see that this is like the largest affiliate marketing program in the world, and I want to mention that this is over at affiliate-program.amazon.com. You can also search in Google for Amazon Associates. First of all you need to do is to just sign up for an account. Then you're going to just start sharing millions of products with your audience, and you're going to promote them, and then you're going to earn up to 10% in commissions and so on. So I want to mention that you're going to get an affiliate link for each of these products, and I'm going to also show you where you can get a free audience, a free traffic source that you can promote all of these products. So you can just see that you can promote this kind of products if you want to, which is like an exercise bike, and you can just find a lot of products in the health and fitness niche actually, and you can even see some suggestions from Amazon as well. So once you get an affiliate link for this product, it's time for you to promote them. So what you need to do actually is to take advantage of social media platforms just like TikTok, also Pinterest, even Instagram, and also YouTube Shorts. So basically you're going to just create an account in all of these social media platforms in the motivational fitness niche, for example. So you can go over for the health and fitness motivational niche. You can just start posting videos related to this niche, and you can even find some ideas here on TikTok. I've searched for fitness motivational, and you can find here a lot of videos, people that are doing this kind of videos. But in my opinion, what you can do is to just go over to this platform called canva.com, which is a platform where you can create different designs, and even you can create them from scratch or with some already made templates. And you're going to just go over to the search bar and search for TikTok videos. It's going to give you a lot of results with a lot of templates here, which look pretty awesome actually. But you can even click on create a blank TikTok video, so you can even search for your own keywords, because here in the left hand side you're going to see that you can add elements, you can add text, you can even upload your own like content if you want to, videos or photos. You can even check here on the templates and search for fitness if you want to, and you're going to notice here a lot of videos related to that niche. Some of them are free, some of them are not. Of course, you can use the free one since Canva even offers a pro plan, but you can go for the free one, of course. And what you need to basically do is to just select one of these videos, and here on the text you can change them, and you can just put some motivational quote that you can of course find on Google. And as you can see, these videos are in a high definition with a high quality, and you can just create your TikTok account and start posting these videos over there. So of course your TikTok account is going to look pretty awesome since all of these videos look awesome as well. You can just change them a little bit by adding those motivational quotes related to fitness, of course, and you're going to be able to just start posting every single day. I highly recommend you do that, and you need to stay consistent actually, because you need to grow your TikTok account. You need to reach like 1,000 of followers before being able to put an affiliate link on your TikTok bio. So you need to focus once again in posting every single day, and make sure that you're going to post valuable videos, especially in the first 5 ones, because TikTok always see those 5 videos, the first 5 videos, and they decide if your content is like worth promoting to other people or not. So make sure to just create high quality content. And you can also go over to this platform called pixabay.com, and here you can find like free content, videos, and also images, and in any category that you want. I'm searching the search bar for the fitness niche, and then I've selected videos here, and as you can see, it shows you a lot of videos in this niche. So they are in high quality, and you can download them for absolutely free actually, and you can use them for free on other websites as well. So you can just get this content and upload it over to Canva, and then just add some text on it. You can just go over to the upload button here, just like I said before, and add your own content and upload some motivational fitness text over there, and then you can just go over to TikTok and post it. So once you are going to start growing on TikTok, you can even go over to other social media platforms, just like Pinterest, as I said before, Instagram, and also YouTube Shorts. And here on Pinterest, you can start posting the same content as well, and add like your affiliate link in your bio or in the description of your pins. Also, you're going to create some Instagram reels. They are going to be the same ones that you're going to post on your TikTok account, and you can even post YouTube Shorts as well. So in these other platforms, you'll be able to put your affiliate link from the start, which is pretty awesome actually. Make sure to put your affiliate link on the bio of your Instagram account, and even say in the description of your videos that they can find the link in the description if they want like to lose weight fast or to just get more fit and so on, so people can check out the link in the bio. And you're going to do the same thing with YouTube Shorts by putting the affiliate link in the description of your videos as well, just like other people are doing. So social media platforms are very important and also helpful in just promoting different content with your affiliate links. Of course, this is like the free strategy. I don't want you to pay anything. That's why I mentioned that you can create your own content for free over at Canva and promote it for free on your social media account. With that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.